Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to teach you how to change your Facebook page name. Okay, so let's get started. So for you to change your Facebook page name, you either log in from the main Facebook account, not Facebook Lite, or you log in using your desktop. Okay, so click on Facebook. If you are already logged in, your account will look like this. You click here on this dot here to enter into the page you want to change. Okay, you click on the page. It's loading. After clicking on the page, click switch to the page. Okay, once you are in the page, you click on this same icon here. Okay, then you scroll down, you will see settings and privacy.
Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech.
Then you will click on settings. Okay, from here, at first, it used to be here, it used to be showing here for you to change your page name. But the recent 2025 update shows that you have to scroll right down here until you see page setup. Click on it. After clicking on page setup, you see name. Click on it. So here's what I say. If you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So if you are trying to change your Facebook name and it's showing error, it means you recently changed the name. And equally, if you change your name for a particular number of times, you are not allowed to change it again. So let's try if this one will change. You type the new name you want to change. Type the new name you want to change. You take review. After taking review, if you change your name, that. So you take submit for approval. Okay. Now, so check your email address and enter a code. So I will rush to my email. I get the code. After getting this code, you click on continue and your page will change to the new name. Okay. Thank you for watching.